In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Studio Ghibli-style photos using the Grok app in its beta version. The process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be editing your photos like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type in Grok in the search bar. Grok is a powerful online tool designed to bring creative elements to your photos with ease. After you hit enter, look through the search results to find the official Grok website. Click on that link, and you'll be taken directly to the Grok platform. Now that you're on the Grok website, it's time to bring in the photo you want to transform. You'll notice several icons on the main page, but focus your eyes on the clip icon, usually depicted by a paperclip or similar. This icon allows you to upload your file. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select a photo from your device. Choose the file you want to work with and upload it to the Grok platform. With your photo ready to go, it's time to create a prompt. Prompts are short descriptions or commands that drive how the app edits your photo. Think about the elements that define the Ghibli style: vibrant colors, dreamy landscapes, and imaginative details. Type your desired prompt into the text box provided. Be creative and specific to achieve the best results. For example, you might write something like magical forest scene with soft pastel colors to get that Ghibli aesthetic. When you're confident with your prompt and are ready to see the magic happen, simply hit the submit button. The Grok app will then process your input and apply its unique style to your uploaded photo. This might take a moment, so be patient while the app works its wonders. You'll be amazed at how quickly your image transforms into something straight out of a Studio Ghibli film. Once the app is done, you'll see your newly stylized image on the screen. Take a moment to admire it and note any adjustments you might want. Don't hesitate to tweak the prompt or experiment with different ones if you're looking for varying effects. It's all about the creative process and finding what works best for your photo. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using the Grok app for editing your photos in that beloved Studio Ghibli style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different prompts and photos until you master the nuances of this editing technique. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!